समन्वितम् श्री चैतन्य प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्द सहोदितम् श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे श्रीराधिकाचरणोदयम् श्रीगोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनो मनोहरम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gaura. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to Harinam Chintamani. All glories to Bhaktivinoda Thakur. All glories to eternal devotees. So let me see the question today. Question by Isabella from France. Is the seva of an uninitiated person useless? Very nice question. Initiated person service and uninitiated person service. They can serve certain limit. Like if you just do any service in temple, you can do cleaning service, you can do vegetable cutting service, cutting vegetables, and you can do picking flower service, marketing service. Marketing means go to market, such service, buying, financial service, any physical, financial, but direct serve to Lord. Lord wants to accept service from that person in temple, which deity installed by some authorized guru. That service, our previous teacher says, better to take initiation. But if you follow all the principles, follow all the Vaishnava principle, but not initiation yet, not getting initiation, then you can have that service outside, like what I explained, cutting vegetables, cleaning pot, cleaning temple room, cleaning temple Sankirtan hall, cleaning cooking pot, such type of seva you can do. So, not useless. That service, uninitiated service, make Vaishnava happy, and Vaishnava bestow their blessings to that person, to us, and that means we are getting spiritual pious credit, mean bhakti unmukhi sukriti, devotional stage increase. With sukriti accumulated gradually it becomes shraddha. When gradually accumulated and turning becomes shraddha, faith. Faith to its sadhu means saintly person, and then follow the instruction of saintly person. Whatever saintly person says, you feel inspiration to follow such type of things. So it is not useless, always useful. Service means make happy to object of our service. Our main object of our service is Guru, Vaishnava. So don't think it is useless, always useful. Service always useful. Is there a risk that a non-initiated person will fall into the animal kingdom? It's not like that. It's not like that. Actually, during the time of death, what we are thinking in mind, we are getting such body in our next life. There is a history in our lineage. Name is Bharat Maharaj. Bharat Maharaj, actually by whose name our country's name was Bharat Varsho. Bharat Varsho. That Bharat Maharaj, we just think about when he was a retired person, he was in a jungle. Then he saw one deer chased by one tiger, and deer out of fear he jumped to the river. A deer was pregnancy. Then she gave birth. And that baby deer, that mother expired, but baby deer was there. Bharat Maharaj was looking after him and always thinking about the deer. Next life, Bharat Maharaj became a deer. Then after deer, then again he became Jada Bharat. It's a long history how Jada Bharat teach Ruhuguna Raja, King Ruhuguna. That is a long history there. So, nothing, don't think that animal kingdom. Therefore, this our spiritual life means fixing, spiritual practice means fixing our mind towards Lord. Fixing our mind under any circumstances. So when you fix your mind, and if you are non-initiated, you are always be human. Always be human, because you are serving Lord. Lord wants to give you initiation. So Lord will send some perfect person for you and inspire you to take initiation from that person. And gradually you will deliver. So don't think that no risks. Even if you get initiation, if you are thinking about animal, during the time of death you will go there. So therefore, better to think about Radha Krishna during chanting, during service, and you can be perfect. Nothing useless if you do anything connected with service. And If you are connected with service to Lord's devotee, Lord, anyway, Lord creation of Lord. So always become useful, not useless. No risk if you do service, or if you are not initiated, not intention to serve, there is a risk. There is a risk. It's there. The third question, I hope you understand what I want to say. Does the uninitiated person who takes Mahaprasad have a chance of taking a human form in his next life? When we take Mahaprasad with the understanding of Mahaprasad, not like a macaroni, rice, dal, vegetables. If you just accept offered prasad like a Mahaprasad, means Lord's remnant, no justification, just accept. No justification, salty, sweety, or whatever, sorry, no justification, just take prasad with sound faith. Then definitely that will give you bhakti. Where is bhakti? Lord giving always chance to deliver. And the person can deliver when they have human form. Therefore, definitely, if we take Mahaprasad with Mahaprasad, understanding of Mahaprasad, definitely will get human. And Lord give them chance. And Lord also sent his representative, Guru Vaishnava, and inspire you to take initiation from that person. Lord is not cheater. Actually, we are cheating Lord. Therefore, we feel cheated. Thank you. Then, Gurudev, Dandavat Pranam, if you want to meditate about the picture hanging above you, what do you mean? About the picture hanging above you? Oh, this picture, okay. Anyway, could you kindly elaborate the Sakhi's position and the color of their cloth? Seva, is it correct? Yes. Just to look the sloka. Tambule Lalita Devi. According to this explanation, Tambul means beaten lips. Pan we call pan. That service of Lalita Devi. But Lalita Devi doing so many things. Tambule Lalita Devi Karpurade Vishakhika. Karpur means camphor service to Vishakha, done by Vishakha Devi. Chamore Champagalata, Champagalata Chamor Seva. Chamore Champagalata, Tambole Lalita Devi, Karpurade Vishakhika. Chamore Champagalata, Chitra Bashano Shevane. Chitra Devi's painting, Bashar means outfit. Shevane. Nana Ragecha Rango Devi, Sudevi Jala Sevane Rage means melody, who is given Rampa Devi. Sudevi Jala Sevane, Sudevi offering water. And Nanabhati Tungabidda, Tungabidda, musical instrument service. And Indulekha Nartane, Indulekha dancing service. Yeah, you can do that. Color and hanging, hanging in the. So color, you know this blue color. Lalita Sakhi's color blue, because you're close to Radharani. So anyway, if you just meditate, yeah, you can do that. Meditate picture. Picture whatever Radha Gopinath is there. Just like think about Shiman Rasha Rasharambhi Bangshivāto Tatastita Karshana Benu Shanara Gopi Gopinath Sriyastana Shimana Rasha Rasharambhi Simana Rasha Rasho Ambhi Rasho dance where Bangshivāto Tatastita under the Bangshivāto meaning there is a banyan tree where Krishna used to play flute. That called Bangshivāto, that place. Simana Rasha Rasharambhi Bangshivāto Tatastita Karshana Venu. Karshana, attracting. How? All the gopis, how we attract? Venu, flute, playing flute. Karshana Venu Shanara Gopi Gopinath Sriyastana. So Gopinath. This is the picture because my spiritual master, his mood was Gaur Gadadhar Radha Gopinath. Therefore the picture I instructed to the devotees. His name was P. Bhadra, Purnendu Bhadra. He made it accordingly. And it is there, here. Very nice artist. But 2001 he expired. He came here in Vrindavan. He also circumambulance Vrindavan. He performed parikrama, Vrindavan parikrama. After that, he says, I will help to make the Guru Maharaja's picture and it's a murti. Then after 1 week when I called his wife, say he expired. How? Heart attack. Anyway, this is that direction given by me and he perfectly made it. So who else? Chandrasekhar finished, Krishnamurti finished, Hare Krishna Okay, so Lakshman, Australia. Question. One may have a desire to be more strict and disciplined. On the other hand, one's family, even though devotees, may be largely concerned with family happiness and enjoyment. What should be done in such a case? First of all, we are not judge. So we should not judge who is really largely concerned with family happiness and enjoyment. First of all, we have to consider all the members, all the human, they are not only human, all living beings, they are all belongs to Lord. And we don't know his mind, person mind. He may be in family, he wants to establish family fully. Family wants to follow Krishna consciousness. Therefore, he wants to encourage family members. I don't know actually which point you are talking about. So anyway, you should not judge. Everybody have personality. Everybody have right to serve according to the personality, and we have to encourage them if they are following devotional principle. Everybody have personality. Someone have disciplined personality. Discipline is good. It's good. But love is beyond of discipline. And devotional practice means is pure loving service. Therefore, our Gaudiya philosophy says all service should be with such concentration, with spontaneous loving. Like you can say that cow and calf. Cow never read what is right, what is wrong. He doesn't know. The cow doesn't know that what is right, what is wrong. But as soon as she gave birth, calf, spontaneous affection that cow's mother have to the calf. Even one fly touching to the calf body, sitting on the body of the calf. So that cow want to chase the fly. Such type of loving, spontaneous loving service mood appear. We should not justify. Like Brajavashi, you can see, real Brajavashi, they are offering to Lord just the cook, and they just offer to Lord. No mantra, no ashan, nothing. Just like put a plate and then their mantra, hey lala, lo, tumhare liye pakaya, lo. Means, oh Krishna, lala means Krishna, baby boy, Krishna, baby form of Krishna. Krishna, I cook for you, accept it. That is the mantra. Sudama, who came without any mantra, Krishna jumped to accept this broken rice. Vidur not prepare anything, but he has spontaneous love for Krishna. Krishna went to their home, accepting. Instead of opulence food from Duryodhana, he went to Vidur and accepted. Lord wants loving. Lord wants to see our love for him. Lord actually doesn't want to see how much discipline I am maintaining. This is good. This is called Vidhi, means rules and regulations you are following. But this Vidhi, if you follow properly, then gradually that Vidhi, this tendency will bring us to that spontaneous love. I think you understand. I can give more example like, this, what I said. Oh, I explained Brajagapi, Brajagapi like that. But they have spontaneous love, all the Brajagopis. I have seen, before I used to go for baking. You may not believe, but it is fact. So once I went to Barshana with 20 Russian devotees, and I am doing parikrama. Anyway, one very around 70 years old man, he asking me, Swamiji, come to my home. And then I thought maybe he look, I have many Western devotees behind me, so he can get money from me. First I ignored him, but he's up again and again he requesting me. Then I agreed to go in their home. Then I saw his home really just like a small hut. It's really small hut. Open fire, and I saw his wife. There is no running water. Wife cleaning the pot, and he entered to that home. Only one room, small room, little as a balcony, not balcony, actually little, we can say, out of his room, little space for cooking only. All we are sitting outside in a courtyard, very dilapidated condition. And as soon as he entered and he saw his wife, only two persons staying there, and asking his wife, a lot of devotee comes, please cook. And wife also spontaneously, in an enthusiastic manner. See, actually, there is a dough was ready. So she prepared chapati. And then, buttermilk he brought. So I said, okay. I said, everyone take 1-2 chapati. Then I was thinking, it's poor, we eat a lot, 20 people he feed. I have to give him something. Then I asked one devotee, please give him 4,000 rupees. As soon as he gave, trying to give him, she says, no, why? All your devotee. Actually, I had desire to feed devotee. I become completely, my understanding about the Brajavasi completely changed. So therefore I'm just telling that we have to always think about it. We should not justify. We have to look what they are doing and what you are doing. There is a question, there is a verse, that is oil in your own machine. If you like to follow rules, regulation, let him follow. If someone wants someone like you, then they will follow you. But no need to interfere anyone. So this is my opinion. This is my opinion only. So I hope you understand why I am telling you so. So anyway, then who is Damodar? No, I don't know who else are giving. I think all over. Today also I can have class. Today 9 o'clock class is there. Text number 15, huh? 15. Good. Shaktiro prakasai saito vaibhava. This is Harinam Chintamani, first chapter, text number 15. Shaktiro prakasai saito vaibhava vibhuro vaibhava matro hoy anubhava. Vaibhav means So actually Shakti means we can say energy or potency. Prakasha means manifestation. A means this is this. Sai means that. Ta. To means that also. Vaibhava means opulence. Means Krishna's opulence are the manifestation of his energy. Again I tell you, Krishna's opulence are the manifestation of his energies. Vibhuro vaibhava matra hoy anubhava. Vibhu means actually huge. Vaibhav means opulence. Matra means only. Hoy means each. Anubhava means is following. The experience only the opulence of the Lord. Lord knows. We cannot, I already explained you. We are not able to realize. We are not able to measure also. Which is actually measurable, that is under Maya. The Lord is beyond the Maya. Sakti Prakash. 7-year-old, I think I explained yesterday. Yeah, 7-year-old Krishna lift up Govardhan hill. It's incredible. Incredible in that sense, because Govardhan hill is not like a small small hill. It is really, really huge. If you want to circumambulance the entire Govardhan hill, you need, if you are very speedy walking, then need 4 hours. If you are midday walking, need 5.5 hours. If you are slow walking, then 7-8 hours. This is called 21 kilometer. Such type of one piece of stone he lifted up and kept it, small finger. Not only one day, 7 days, 7 nights. Nowadays, if we see that anybody shows some charisma, like a yogi can show something, some charisma, sitting inside fire flame. Or saying, oh, very great, hey Bhagavan. Nowadays you can see, we are not describing the glories of Krishna, whatever, how much we are describing the glories of our Guru Vaishnava. You can see we are arranging Vyasa Puja, so opulent manner. But we are not that much focusing our energy to observe Krishna Janmashtami, Krishna's appearance day. How much we are focusing Vyasa Puja. Because gradually we are moving towards Guru Bhajana. Guru Bhaja means Guru is Bhagavan, not different from Lord. Shastra says, so we worship Guru only. You can see there is a temple. In Mathura I saw that temple. See Guru Bhagavan? Anyway, in Mathura I saw the temple, big temple, big temple, so many followers. I forget the name of the temple. Anyway, they are always writing Rasha. Anyway, I saw that all the Punjabi people, they are observing that path. The meditating Guru is God, everything. The Guru is God. But I already explained you, Krishna's mercy come down us through Guru, therefore Guru and Krishna not different. Other than everything different. Guru always old, Krishna never old. Guru has beard and moustache, Krishna don't have beard and moustache. So anyway, there's opulence. And I already explained, I think yesterday, Krishna's energy appeared in different form. Mother Kali, Mother Durga, Mother different. Radharani's expansion there. It's not, Krishna's expansion Radharani. Radharani expansion all the gopis. Gopis expansion all Manjari. Also Radharani's expansion all the god and all the goddesses. Krishna's goodness form is Vishnu. Krishna's darkness form is Shiva. Krishna's we can say passion form is Brahma. In that way, all the opulence, whatever you look, everything Krishna's opulence. Therefore, as a Shaktiro Prakasa Eje, Shaktiro Prakasa Eji, Saito Vaibhava, Vibhuro Vaibhava Matro, Hoy Anubhava. Anubhava, we are feeling that. We are experiencing that. When we get experience about devotional practice, when you are following the footsteps, when we are following the footsteps of our previous teachers. Nowadays problem is this, we are following previous teachers. Simultaneously, we are also ignoring our previous teachers. Why this thing happened? Why I am telling so? Because nowadays the culture is transforming, transmit like this way. Guru means only initiating. Guru, others, they are like a Vaishnava, but not that much important for us. Such mood appear because of our preaching strategy. Day by day, our preaching strategy coming up like this mood, which is offensive, really offensive. And as soon as our spiritual practice in the trap of offense, you have to know, progress stop. And then we will involve our energy with quarrel. Just to promote our spiritual master, we are ignoring, we are blaspheming to other Vaishnava, which guru of others, like other gurus, other initiating guru. But Guru is one. Guru is one. That is Krishna. And all the gurus, initiating guru, instructing guru, all are a representative of Krishna. That we have to understand. Then we can have experience. We can get experience, anubhava, feelings, all the opulence of Lord. We can see Lord is omnipotent. Lord's effulgence, Lord's beauty, Lord's quality, everything we can. It will reveal in our heart. Recently, I finished my spiritual master's biography in English language. So hopefully it will appear soon with printing form. Then you can see my spiritual master's life history. Such a simple, such a accommodative. Then you can realize that what is actual meaning of spiritual practice. What is actuality of our parampara's instruction. I'm always telling you that due to our preaching strategy, present preaching strategy, our mind stuck in one place, not allowing us to follow Srila Prabhupada's last instruction. Everybody unitedly take shelter of our Srimati Radharani and spread the loving message of Rupa and Raghunath with full of enthusiasm. That is the last instruction of Srila Prabhupada Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Thakur. But now, Kali Yuga's influence, we can see, we are constructing, we are increasing the numbers and opulence. But our mood is not growing according to our previous teachers. Anyway, how much we are able to follow the footsteps of our previous teacher, that much we can get experience the opulence of Lord. That's quality. If you just look quality of Lord, main quality is he has lots of loving affection towards the devotees. Lots. For the devotee, he can do everything. Purushottam Dev, he may hard, he may not hard. But fact is this, King Purushottam Dev, that time king family, the marriage with king family, king to kingdom. Kanchipuram, South Indian one, king Kanchi. In place, kingdom name is Kanchipuram. That king, daughter and Purushottam Dev, they have agreement to marry the king of Kanchipuram, daughter, and he arranged marriage. Not married yet, arranged his daughter's marriage with Purushottam Dev. In between, everything fixed up, everything. And then, all of a sudden, that is chariot festival. Chariot festival, King Purushottam Dev is brooming, sweeping chariot, because this is Lord order of Lord. So he decided that then to see that Kanchipuram king decided, I don't like to arrange my daughter's marriage with sweeper. Egoistic matter. So Kanchipuram declined to arrange his daughter's marriage with Purushottam Dev. So Purushottam Dev, king have passionate mood. So king, Purushottam Dev felt insulted, and he went there with battle, with the battle mood, the soldiers. That day, Kanchipuram, when Purushottam Dev attacked Kanchipuram, he became defeated and come back. But Purushottam Dev never defeated. He always getting mercy of Jagannath. But that day, out of ego, he is not informing Lord Jagannath. Jagannath not with him. And Kanchipuram, he takes shelter of Ganesh. So Ganesh, with his full energy, he was fighting with Purushottam Dev. Therefore, that Purushottam Dev was defeated by Kanchipuram king. This is the fact. That Purushottam Dev felt so much insulted, so much depression. Then went to Jagannath and begged Jagannath mercy and asking Jagannath, why I defeated? Why you are not helping me? The Jagannath appeared to his dream and explained the reason. The reason is, you are not informing me. You just went there by your own. Therefore, I was not with you. Therefore, he became defeated. The only reason he defeated because of that. You are not informing me. It's okay, now you prepare, I'll be there. So second time Purushottam Dev prepared. And Jagannath, he went there. Ahead of Purushottam Dev, Jagannath and Baladev, they're ahead. When Jagannath and Baladev was ahead of Purushottam Dev, you can say like this way. And in order to make Purushottam Dev understand, in between one place, there is one's buttermilk seller selling buttermilk. Jagannath Baladev, in the human form, on a soldier form, they came. And then they drink all the buttermilk. And they says, we don't have money, but behind we have our king is coming behind. He just showed him that he has one ring, an expensive ring, which is given by Purushottam Dev. So that ring, he gave it to this old lady who is selling the buttermilk beside the road. And then the ring was very expensive. So she kept it. And then behind her, as soon as the king came with full of soldiers, then old lady says, your two soldiers came before and they gave me this drink and drink all my buttermilk. Then Purushottam Dev realized, this ring I gave it to Jagannath, offered to Jagannath. So how you got it? Then she explained everything. Then Purushottam Dev realized, Jagannath and Baladev already ahead of me. They already prepared. So this battle will win. I will win. So devotees desire Lord also fighting for winning his devotees. So such loving affection. If devotee taking as Madhavendra Puri, he has desire to get taste of a little bit kheer, Amrita Keli. Kheer means sweet rice. In mind he was thinking, a Lord stealing one bowl of sweet rice, he stole and kept it under his cloth. And midnight he appeared in the dream of the Pujari, and explained, Pujari, get up, take bath, enter in my temple, and enter to temple. And there is one bowl of sweet rice I kept for Madhavendra-puri. Madhavendra-puri sitting in the marketplace. Go over there and give it this bowl of sweet rice. So he is stealing also. Therefore, this Chaitanya Charitamrita explains the strategy, the rules, regulation, how to become Pujari. Pujari always take bath fresh. Pujari is, Lord instructing, get up and take bath and enter to my temple. So therefore, Pujari, if you really become Pujari, you have to always maintain the sanctity. So anyway, so Lord like this way. Whatever devotee's desire, devotee wants to sit in a cave, he is also helping him. Haridas Thakur was in cave in Fulia. Fulia means in between Santipur and Mayapur there is a place named Fulia. The Fulia, Haridas Thakur is staying inside a cave where one a very poisonous snake stay there. All the people are feeling burning sensation because of this snake poison. So what happened? Everybody requesting Haridas Thakur, Prabhu, don't stay here. It is dangerous for you. Then Haridas Thakur said, I will stay here if you repeatedly requesting me or order me to leave, I will leave this Fulia also. So everybody is not disturbing, but after such type of expression of Haridas Thakur, snake leave that cave. By whose grace? Because of the Lord. Left. We look one by one, then you can see. Once I heard my spiritual master express his desire. That time he has no temple at all in Mayapur or Puri or Vrindavan. Only Kalna, old temple, he got it from King of Burdwan district. There is a whole history there. So I remember that it was 82, 83. He just thinking what is going to happen if I die, where my samadhi will take place. He was just expressing it. I have no place for samadhi. Just he expressed like that. Then gradually you can see his samadhi in Mayapur. I think his samadhi is very nice, architecturally very nice, and very impressive. Not big, prominent size, but impressive. Am I right? You can go and see. I heard it, that he was passed his opinion, I have no place to take samadhi. Although Madhava Goswami Maharaj explained to his disciples, my elder brother, actually, this Madhava Goswami Maharaj always respecting my spiritual master, his elder brother. Therefore, parikrama time, he always keeping my spiritual master ahead of him. Every places, every event, he always keep ahead of him. Keep my spiritual master ahead of him. So after that, you can see my spiritual master Samadhi taking place in Mayapur. then he has desire to pass his body in Puri in 1997. But he has no place to stay. He has place, but it's not suitable for him. That we can see, we arrange, the Lord arranged through us, and he passed his body there. Why he want to pass his body there? Because his mood was Gadadhar mood. So Gadadhar passed his body over there. Gaur Gadadhar mood. Gauranga also passed departure from this place. Gauranga, Lord Gauranga merged with Jagannath, merged with Tota Gopinath, and walking on the Mahabodhi ocean. In that simultaneous three places. Because the Lord, pastimes, we are not able to realize with our material intelligence. Therefore we need surrender, we need to be surrendered. Then we can see his opulence. So therefore, experience only the opulence of the Lord who is devoted. Vibhuro vaibhava matro hoy anubhava. His feelings, experience. But that person can realize who is surrendered. Vaibhava divido tavo Gauranga Sundaro Chit Achid Jivatina Sastero Gocharo. Vaibhava Trivida, three times. Vaibhava means opulence. Trivida means three type of opulence. Who's? Gauranga Sundara, Gauranga Mahaprabhu. What is Chit? Chit means transcendental. Some spiritual you can say. And material, jada. In Bengal we say Chit Sakti, Maya Shakti, or Jeev Shakti. The Chit, Jod, or Jeev. You can see there is a explanation, first sloka of Srimad Bhagavatam. If you just read, then you can see there is a word that there is a word that there is a Tejo bhari midam Jatha vinimayo Jatro tishar gomisha. This one. Teja means fire. Chit Shakti appear come from fire. The transcendental fire. Bari water. Jeev Shakti appear. And Mridam means earth. Jala Shakti coming from that. Jatro Tri Sarga, three type of three creation from there. All the creation from the three sources. Therefore here, Vaibhava Trividatava Gauranga Sundara. Actually why Gauranga Sundara? Because Gauranga Sundar, Gaur Sundar means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is not different from Krishna. His explanation is there that Shai Krishna Avatori Chaitanya Gosai. That Krishna, which Krishna? Vrindavan Krishna. Avatori. Avatori means who is source of all incarnation. Avatori. Who is Avatori? Vrindavan Krishna. Who is this Vrindavan Krishna now? Chaitanya Gosai. Nowadays everybody blaming that, in our Bengal, there is so many Bhagavan nowadays, Krishna's incarnation. Someone chanting Rama Narayana Ram, that is Kali Yuga Dharma, Mahamantra. That so many big group they have. Someone chanting Krishna name, but they believe their Guru is incarnation of Lord Chaitanya. Here in Vrindavan, you can see huge temple. Their devotee also blame that their Guru is incarnation of Mahaprabhu. Many. Now so many Bhagavan. Kali Yuga. Age of deception. Therefore it is not, it is expectation. It is our expectation. It is going to happen. But Lord give us intelligence. We have to accept according to the inspiration of Lord. If we surrender to Lord, Lord will give you inspiration, and Lord will give you intelligence, and you understand who is real God. Experience. So, Vaibhava Trivido Tabo Gauranga Sundar. Vaibhava. Lord appear. Lord create this entire universe. This is Vaibhava, opulence. We are thinking my opulence. I make the temple, this is my opulence. We are thinking this is maybe government thinking this is our country's opulence. All the mines, all the natural beauty is my opulence. Actually not. Actually created by Lord. The Lord opulence. If Lord wants to destroy everything, just you can see the COVID-19, just bio-war. So everybody, there is no bomb, atomic bomb. But such a manner the virus is spreading. Everybody having panic. What is going to happen? So therefore, please try to understand Lord opulence. Everything, whatever you have opulence, whatever you have quality, everything belongs to Lord. So anyway, so Vaibhava Trivido Tavo Gauranga Sundar Chit, transcendental spiritual, Achit, material, Jal, and Jiva, individual. Jiva is individual. Tatastha Shakti, Sharup Shakti, and Maya Shakti. 3. So we can talk tomorrow about the three energies or 3 potency. Hare Krishna.